Hello everyone, I'm Coach Rios. Welcome back. For today's lesson, we're going to be going over the muscular system. Okay, I don't have muscles, but you get the point. So the main purpose of the muscular system is that it provides movement, so I get to move around. It maintains posture and circulates blood flow. The nervous system plays an important role in the muscular system. The muscles receive their ability to move the body through the nervous system. This is very important to the voluntary skeletal muscles. The muscular system needs voluntary and involuntary muscles in order to function. The involuntary muscles move on their own. They are found on the walls of the internal organs. Some examples are our eyelids. We blink on our own without thinking about it. Our heart, it pumps on its own. And when we eat, our digestive system takes over to work on its own. Voluntary muscles is a muscle that you control. They are found attached to our bones. Examples are if you choose to smile, or you choose to wave, or to run. Voluntary muscles are biceps, triceps, pectorals, abdominals, and our hamstrings. Some of the major properties of the muscular system is that it's contractible. So after receiving the signal from the nervous system, the muscle contracts or shortens. A muscle can also be stretched out or extended without any damage by using force. A muscle is also able to return to its original shape and length after being extended or contracted. And in our muscular system, we have about 600 muscles. There are 3 types: the skeletal muscle, the smooth muscle, and the cardiac muscle. So for the first type, we have the skeletal muscle. They are voluntary, meaning that these muscles are under your control. They are attached to your bones, and they help you with movement, as we learned last week. For the second type, we have smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in our organs and our digestive system because when we eat, it breaks down the food down for us. Also, they are found in the respiratory system because we don't have to stop and think to breathe. It just happens on its own. So overall, smooth muscles are involuntary because we don't have control over this. It just happens on its own. And for the last type of muscle that we have is that's the sound of a heart beating, meaning that the third type of muscle is cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is a special muscle that pumps our heart and blood through our body. The muscles form walls of the heart and contracts them to circulate the blood. Remember, cardiac muscles are only found in the heart. Cardiac muscles are involuntary because we don't have to stop and think and tell our heart to keep pumping. It just happens on its own. The muscular system plays an important role in our lives because muscles control how we live and how we move. All movements of the body is controlled by muscles. Some muscles work without us thinking, like our heart, while other muscles are controlled by our thoughts and allow us to move and do stuff around. So overall, our muscles work together and make up the muscular system. So let's go over what we learned in this video. We learned that there is about 600 muscles in the muscular system. The nervous system and the muscular system have to work together in order for it to function. So the nervous system creates a signal for our body to move, for our heart to continue to beat, and when we eat, for our food to be broken down into our digestive tract. Voluntary and involuntary muscles. Voluntary means when we have that control, versus involuntary, we have no control and it happens on its own, like your heart. Your heart pumps on its own. We also went over the 3 types of muscle tissue. There's skeletal, there's smooth, such as your stomach or your organs, and cardiac muscle, which is your heart. Remember, cardiac muscle is only found in your heart. And lastly, we went over contracting, and we contract our muscle. It is contracting and it's resting. It can also go to its original shape by extending it out to its regular length with no damage. This completes our lesson on the muscular system. Thank you for watching, and I hope you continue having a great day.